Hey guys, Jesse here. So we're going to do the Laminar flow hood build inspired by Gordo Tech. Shout out Gordo Tech's YouTube channel. He has the cheap he turned me on to these HEPA filter 2-packs here from Amazon. I taped it to the inside while still in the plastic. Centered it as good as possible. And I used this ruler here to draw the straight lines. And that way I could leave the space here once I cut it out to put the sealant on there. We got our advanced silicone, which is silicone sealant, but I paid a little extra for these squeezy tubes here. Got our saw, heat gun, circular bit, little tape I used to tape this, and I also used this to measure half the distance and put a circle in for this. I measured 3 inches in towards the center where I want to line the fan up. We also have the Mars hydro fan that we're going to be using. It does have adjustable fan, and we're going to be using this to for our airflow. See, the airflow is this way, so it'll actually be facing this way. All right. So I taped that to the inside so I could draw these lines on the outside, and yeah, we'll be back when I'm done. What's up, guys? All right, so we just finished the build, and waited 24 hours for everything to seal up. Had to switch the fan around because I had it backwards. So luckily I left it in the brackets and didn't glue the fan on, so that wasn't too big of a deal. we attached the hose, the exhaust hose here, or the incoming hose here with that, and I may add some duct tape, but it seems to be doing pretty good. Don't seem to have any major air leaks coming from anywhere else, and no turbulent air. Got it just this side of on. And everything looks pretty good. So hopefully that'll give us a nice clean room to work in. We can wait for everything to settle. We can mist the room with alcohol, wait for everything to dissolve, sanitize ourselves, come into the room, and we now have a clean area to work with. Oh, and I also wanted to show you guys that it does have positive pressure. You can see it is bulging out. Don't mind the computer over there. It does have positive pressure. We have cleared all the storage out of this room. It's mostly storage, and set up the tent, but see, it's bulging out now. Show you guys real quick. The come around to the side. Switch we had. It's just this side of on, barely turned on, and provides the flow. Looking up here, we have charcoal filter we attached, and I did duct tape the incoming end. This was a brand new filter in the plastic, and I'm supposed to remove this, but I kind of left it on as a pre-filter to clean it for a while. I'm gonna let it run with this on for a while, and the Laminar seems pretty good. So we got like basically two pre-filters. There's a pre-filter to the pre-filter, but it's also just a cover. We're gonna end up taking that off and readjusting airflow. But for right now, I wanna catch all the free charcoal that's gonna come out of this while we're in the processing. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and drop some comments. Let me know what you thought of this build. And thanks for watching.